Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 500. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 500 with 5,585 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with an M4 muffler and a rear fender eliminator kit. Powered by a 451cc parallel twin engine, the Ninja puts 51 horsepower and 32 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 3.7-gallon fuel capacity, the Ninja has a 200 to 240-mile range. It has a 30.9-inch seat height and a 373-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Ninja will need rear turn signals and a DOT-compliant plate bracket, a plate light, and mirrors. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and both tires at 330 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the muffler mounting hardware is improper and the chain is rusty. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. There are scratches on the lower plastics. This bike has a toolkit and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.